Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Recap po tayo sa Lotto result. 9 PM, August 5, 2021, Thursday. Lotto 642. Ang result ay 11, 33, 8, 29, 7, and 17. Lotto 649. Ang result ay 12, 22, 25, 26, 11, and 4 in any order. Lotto 6 digit 6, 0, 2, 4, 8, and 1 in order. Lotto 3 digit 4, 3, and 1 in exact order. 2D Lotto 10 and 10 in exact order. Yan lang po, at please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for more Lotto updates. Thank you.